Hi, I'm Cory MacFarland, Branch Manager of Decks and Docks here on beautiful Big Pine Key, Florida. Come inside and check out our location. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. When you come into our showroom, you'll find our friendly, knowledgeable staff here to help you. You'll find a lot of products from Haven Dock and Marine, our sister company up in Fort Lauderdale. You'll find a lot of Simpson Strong Tie products for fastening, all the stainless steel that you're ever gonna need, as well as many premier brands of composite decking, such as Trex, AZEK, and Owens Corning's Wear Deck. Let's go see what the yard has to offer. When you come out into our yard and many of the yards at Decks and Docks, you will find a wide variety of building materials ready for you. From ground contact treated lumber to saltwater splash 0.60 CCA treated lumber to the saltwater submersible 2.5 CCA pilings. We have everything you will need to make that outdoor space everything you want. And when it comes to deliveries, we have a fleet of vehicles ready to make that delivery for you. Go to decks-docks.com to find a location near you.